A quick tip on how to keep your clothes quite nice and neat. After a hard day's drive, do your clothes look like this? Frustrated? Looking like you're coming out of a dustbin? After it was packed neatly when you started? There's fortunately better ways to do it there. It can look like this. What you do is take 2 to 3 to 4 days of clothes fully packed into a smaller bag, and you close that bag and so on it. So what makes it easier is you only take one set out of that bag per day, and all the clothes stays quite nice and neat, even if you have got a hard drive. We separate these bags into different colors. The light green or turquoise bags are woman clothes, and the dark blue ones is my clothes, men's clothes. That's how we separate them and make it quite easily how to find them, how to get them, and how to get your clothes out of it there quickly on a daily basis.